asexual reproduction. Do you know how does asexual reproduction take place? No, I don't know. Could you please explain? Sure. Asexual reproduction may happen through vegetative propagation, budding, fragmentation, or spore formation. What is vegetative propagation? Let me explain you. When the plants reproduce from the vegetative parts like stem, roots and leaves, it is called vegetative propagation. This can be done by cutting. Take a plant, for example, a rose plant, and cut its branch with the node. Plant it in soil and water it daily. After few days, you will find new leaves appearing from it. Plants also grow from the buds. How is this possible? Carefully observe this potato. Can you see small scars or eyes on it? Well, this can also give a rise to a new plant. The bryophyllum leaf has buds on the margin of the leaves. When this leaf falls on a moist ground, new leaves develop from it. Sexual reproduction. We know that flowers are the reproductive part of a plant. It contains the stamens, which are the male part, and the pistil, which is the female part. This is a papaya flower. It contains either the stamen or the pistil. That is, they behave like either male or female flowers. Such flowers are called as unisexual flowers, whereas plants like rose and mustard have both stamen and pistil. Hence, they are called as bisexual flowers. Both the male and female unisexual flowers may be present in the same plant or in different plants. Let's study the structure of stamen and pistil. The stamen is the male reproductive part. It has a stalk called filament and anther on the top. These anther contain the pollen grains that produce male gametes. The pistil is the female reproductive part that has stigma and style along with a swollen bottom portion called ovary, which contains the ovules. The formation of female gametes or the egg occurs inside the ovules. These male and female gametes fuse to form a zygote. Reproduction. Do you know that all living organisms reproduce its same kind, and this is common but a typical feature in all plants or animals? The production of new offspring from their parents is called reproduction. There are two modes of reproduction, asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Vegetative and reproductive parts of plants. Let us discuss more about reproduction in plants, but first, let us become familiar with the vegetative and reproductive parts of the plants. The stem, roots and the leaves are the vegetative parts, while the flowers are the reproductive parts. It is interesting to know that flowers may have male parts or female parts or both.